Porifera completed?
Yes.
So today we have to discuss about coiled some work was also given to you, right?
Yes.
Okay, what was the work given? Okay, Univa, will you read? Read the question and answers. A bit loudly so that your friends can hear it.
Vascular tissues such as fluid or direct are absorbed. We are found at the base of kingdom. They are grown in them and change edges. Hydra. They are found
What happened? Is he reading or just standing? What are you doing?
the leaves can be done like most plants have inverted cone shape, then they are called coniferous plants. Mention any three characteristics of angiosperm. The root system is capped or adventitious. Their seeds are enclosed inside the tip. Monofertilization and fertilization is needed. Different between monofertilization and empirical period. Dicotyledonous plants have a single cotyledon. The dicotyledon plants have two cotyledons. Monocotyledons have adventitious or fibrous root system. Dicotyledons have primarily developed from the radicle of the embryo that persists and as a vacuum. Examples of monocotyledons are onion, banana, maize.
Okay, please sit down. So, phylum, Porifera, Coilentorata, Platyhelminthes, Nematelminthes, Arthropoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Echinodermata. These all are invertebrates. What are they? Invertebrates. Invertebrates means they do not possess backbone or vertebral column. V-E-R-T-E-B-R, vertebral column or backbone. That means their body is very soft body at times, right? They do not contain endoskeleton also, we can say, right? Yesterday we discussed about Porifera. So today we are going to discuss about what? Coilentorata. Coilentorata also they say. Coilentorata also they say, right? What do you mean by Coilentorata or Coilentorata? What is the major characteristic? Number one, they possess a hollow cavity called coilenteron. What is spelling? Coelenteron. In their body there is a hollow cavity. Hollow cavity. Suppose if this is the organism, let's say this is Hydra. What is this? Hydra. So Hydra contains these thread-like structures. They are called tentacles. What do you call them? Tentacles. Hollow cavity. So this is mouth. What is this? This is the opening. And from here, if you go inside, here is one small cavity. This one. This is called hollow cavity or coilenteron. Right? And this part as mouth as well as anus. Food enters from here. Food enters inside from here. Again, waste material comes out. So there is coelenteron. That's why they are called coelenterina. Okay, that is one characteristic. We have to write major characteristics. Okay. Next important thing is, what is there? These are first tissue graded animals. What are they? First tissue graded animals. What does it mean? Tissue graded means these are the animals which contain tissue. From this group, tissues appear. Like in Porifera, there are no well-developed tissues, but tissues are present in Coelenterina onwards. So, do you know the meaning of tissue? How do you define tissue? Group of cells which carry out particular function, special function. Group of cells which carry out special functions. Can you give the example of some tissues?
Muscular tissue.
Epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, glandular tissue. Yes, sir. Xylem, phloem, they are also tissues. Meristematic also tissues. Okay. Next important thing. What can we say? Is their mouth contains thread-like structures called tentacles. Our mouth is surrounded by thread-like structures. What are those thread-like structures called? Tentacles. What do the tentacles do? They capture food. Number one. What is the function of tentacles?
They capture
food and put in mouth. Number second, they help in locomotion also.
Moving.
They help in moving. Locomotion. Moving. How many points have we written? 3 points are written. What are they? They contain a hollow cavity or coelenteron. Number second, they are first tissue graded animals, and mouth is surrounded by thread-like structures called tentacles. Is it okay? So, what are the examples of? And next important thing, these animals reproduce by one method, that is budding. What is that?
Budding.
By budding. What is budding? Suppose this is hydra. What is this? Hydra. When the hydra becomes mature, then small outgrowth is developed. That is called bud. It may develop this side also, okay? What do you call it? Bud. B-U-D. And slowly its size increases. What is developed here? Mouth. And what are developed here? Tentacles. Afterwards, it will detach, it will separate. And how many hydra are formed? One more. Here was one, next hydra is formed. That method is called budding. Especially budding is shown by Coelenterata. Examples of Coelenterata? Hydra, jellyfish, corals. Hydra, jellyfish, corals. Please mark in your book. Okay? So what to do? We have to write the major points only. With the doctor. Next heading, what is that? Platyhelminthes. Okay, children, you tell me the first special characteristics of Platyhelminthes. They are parasites. But Nemathelminthes are also parasites. So we have to write special, salient feature I said, no? Special feature only we have to write. Platyhelminthes. The body is dorso-ventrally flattened. Their body is flat from dorsal side, that ventral side, dorsal and ventral. This upper side is called dorsal side, lower side is called ventral side. So body is dorso-ventrally flat. That is one characteristic. Okay. Next important characteristic is these organisms are bisexual. These animals are bisexual means
They have
in their body there is
male
male organ as well as female organ. See? So they are hermaphrodite. They are hermaphrodite. Okay? Or we can say bisexual. Children, next important characteristic you find out. What are the next important characteristics of platyhelminthes?
They reproduce.
They reproduce essentially by fusion and regeneration.
Important thing is here. Somebody said these are parasites, right? They possess mouth, but they do not have anus. That means their alimentary canal is incomplete. Their alimentary canal is, what is that? Incomplete. Listen children, they are parasites. What do the parasites do? They obtain food from the host. From the host. But most of them are endoparasite. What do you mean by endoparasite? Endoparasite. They live inside the body of host. Like liver flu, tapeworm, they live inside the body of human beings. And whatever our body digests, that digested food is absorbed by these organisms. That's why from that mouth, food goes inside and no waste is produced. That's why they don't have anus. This is important thing. Eh? So how many characteristics have we written? What is the first one?
The body is
Dorso-ventrally flattened from dorsal side and ventral side flat. Now second,
They are bisexual.
Third one,
They are
alimentary canal is incomplete. What are the examples of platyhelminthes? Tapeworm,
liver fluid.
fluid, right? Okay, that is all. Now let's go to discuss about phylum Nemathelminthes. Nemathelminthes. One thing you have to keep in mind, Coelenterata or Coelenterata, they contain hollow cavity. Platyhelminthes, their body is flat. Nemathelminthes, how is their body? Their body is round. That's a round worm belongs to Nemathelminthes. So, their body is, what is that? Round in shape. Okay. What is the next important characteristics of Nemathelminthes? Find out. Here, two things are absent. Respiratory organ and circulatory organs are absent. What do you mention? Respiratory and circulatory organs are absent. Okay? Without respiration also they can survive. And blood is not present in them. So, but how do they respire? From their general body surface, from outside only, we can respire. Find out next important thing. What is next one? How do they move? Do you know? Tell me. Okay. They excrete, they throw out waste material with which part? Excretory organs are. What are the excretory organs? Which not nephridia is given? Excretory organ.
Winged cell or protonephridia.
Protonephridia. What is that? Protonephridia. Excretory organs are protonephridia. About nephridia, we'll study in Annelida. In Annelida, they contain some organs from which waste material comes out. That is a bit developed. But in case of nemathelminthes, it is less developed, even though we can mention over here. These are the three major characteristics of nemathelminthes. What is the first one?
Their body is round in shape, especially in some
Body is round in shape. That's why they are called roundworm. What do you call them?
Roundworm.
Point number 2.
Excretory
Organs are absent. Third one, excretory organs are protonephridia. Okay. Now, what to discuss? Examples of nemathelminthes. Which organisms belong to nemathelminthes? One is Ascaris. Ascaris lumbriocoides. That is the scientific name of roundworm. So you can write roundworm also. But roundworm is big number of animals are there, right? Ascaris. Next one. Hookworm. Pinworm. Wucheria bancrofti. What a name is there? Wucheria bancrofti. Is it given in your book? Wucheria bancrofti? Which scientific name is Wucheria bancrofti? Sorry? Filarial worm. So these are the different examples of nemathelminthes. So nemathelminthes, listen, their body is round and elongated. See. But if the organism's body contains such type of rings, then that organism does not belong to the phylum nemathelminthes. In which phylum does it belong to? Annelida. Which phylum? Okay, children, now find out any three major characteristics of Annelida. What's the first major segment?
Their body is cylindrical.
Yeah, the body is segmented. Segmented. There are many segments, many rings. Body is segmented, right?
Yes.
Point number 2.
Locomotor organ are
They have moist skin.
Locomotor
organ are called as
Okay, you also see there, I will just see here also. Any leader so we are quite major. Yeah, they move with the help of seta or parapodia. Locomotory organs are, locomotory organs are, what are they? SETAE or parapodia. Parapodia. Seta or parapodia. Okay? Done?
Yes, sir.
Now point number 3. What is point number 3?
They have moist skin.
Find out something.
the excretory of cytometal stomata.
They have moist skin through which they respire.
They respire. But we discussed that another group is also there which respire through this thing. So in that is nemathelminthes. It did match, no? That's the wrong say.
The blood goes
The excretory system consists of well-developed structures.
Which number you say?
7.
This is structure called nephridia. Okay. It means they throw waste material with the help of nephridia. Or excretion takes place
Two nephridia.
through nephridia. In case of nemathelminthis, protonephridia, but here nephridia. My suggestion is the points must not match with others. No? Is that clear? So what are the major characteristics, salient features of nemathelminthis? The body is segmented. They are called segmented worms.
This is a vanillida.
Sorry, this is a Annelida, right?
Yes.
Oh, Annelida, not the nemathelminthis, Annelida. The body is segmented worms. Point number 2. Locomotory organs are seta or parapodia.
Parapodia.
Number 3.
They access through
Nephridia. Excellent takes place through nephridia. Now, what are the examples of Annelida?
sandworms,
Sandworms, earthworms, leech, right? And others?
others.
3 are given, isn't it? Okay. So let me see the time. We don't have more time. So okay. So what did we discuss today? We discussed mainly 4 phyla. Singular is phylum, plural is phyla. What are the 4 phyla of animal kingdom? First 4. Porifera, Coelenterata,
Nemathelminthis,
Nemathelminthis. Up to Annelida we have discussed, right? Okay. What are the major characteristics of Coelenterata? Number 1, there is presence of hollow cavity called coelenteron, right? Number 2,
Tissue graded.
they are first tissue graded animals. Next one, what is next one?
They have
Tentacles are located around the mouth and which helps in what? Locomotion and capturing the food. Yes or no? Okay. Next one, platyhelminthes. What are the characteristics?
The body is dorso-ventrally flat.
Dorso-ventrally flat body. Next,
These animals are bisexual.
they are bisexual or hermaphrodite. Next one,
Their alimentary canal is incomplete.
alimentary canal is incomplete. Means there is mouth, no anus. Next one, nemathelminthis. Major characteristics:
Your body is
respiratory and circulatory organs are absent. Third one,
excretory organs are
excretory organs are protonephridia. Okay, then Annelida.
the body is segmented.
But yeah, body is segmented. Second, parapodia or seta. These are the locomotory organs. And last one, yeah, actually, excision takes place with the help of nephridia. Is that okay? Now, once again, please read the portion. Then I will give you some tags. All right? Good.